Welcome to the first video in this series of instructional videos on the CarTrack fleet management system. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the live tracking and trip history features. Both of these features are very useful in day-to-day usage as they allow you to keep track of your fleet in real time while also keeping a detailed record of all vehicle usage. Alright, let's begin with live tracking. To start live tracking, simply log into the fleet interface and open the map panel if it's not already open. It should be the first thing you see when you log in. On the map, you'll see various grey or coloured circles containing vehicle icons or numbers. These are your live positions. The numbered live positions actually represent multiple vehicles that are in close proximity of each other. If you zoom in closer, the numbered icons will split into multiple individual vehicle icons. You can also click on a numbered position to automatically zoom into that group of vehicles. The icons are coloured based on the status of the vehicle. Green icons represent vehicles with their ignition on, and grey icons represent vehicles with the ignition off. Alright, now let's take a look at viewing historical trip data. Clicking on an individual vehicle icon or clicking on a vehicle on the sidebar will set the focus on that vehicle and open up a new panel along the side and on the bottom of the screen. The map will also zoom to the extent of that vehicle's current daily travel history and also show this information as a blue line on the map. Looking closely at this line, you'll notice that there are small arrows along it. White arrows show events that indicate normal driving behavior, while red arrows show events that have exceeded certain thresholds such as the road speed, harsh turning, and harsh braking. Clicking on any of these arrows will bring up more information about it in the top left corner of the map area in the form of a pop-up. The left panel on the screen will allow you to select the date range of the vehicle's travel history. The horizontal bars shown in this panel represent a daily timeline, and the small green sections inside the bar represent vehicle activity. More green means more vehicle activity. Along the bottom panel, you'll see three buttons. These buttons change the view of the panel. The first button, which is active by default, is the timeline button. This lets you interactively play through a vehicle's daily travel. The next button opens up the graph panel. Over here you can view vehicle sensor information. This is displayed as a line chart, and by default the data is ordered chronologically. The final button takes you to the table panel, the most important panel. Over here you can view detailed information about individual trips and the events that make up those trips. Each individual trip can be expanded to show the state of the vehicle at each recorded position during the trip. Clicking on one of these rows will focus the map onto that position. You'll probably have noticed that 5 new buttons have also appeared next to the table button. These will allow you to filter events so that only the driving behavior alerts are displayed. Clicking on any of these events will move a marker on the map to the position where the event occurred. This is a great way to pinpoint where a driver or vehicle has made any speeding violations or any other forms of harsh driving behavior. This marks the end to this guide on live tracking and historical trip data. I hope this video has helped you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.